Hi, I'm Glenn from Jacana Motorhomes. I'd like to introduce you to our all-new hiker range. Four-wheel drive and two-wheel drive. What do you reckon? Hi guys, going to tell you a few things about this Jacana Hiker four-wheel drive. We've got a choice of gas or electric cooking. Got a full-size sink, nice size fridge, table folds, stores in here, it'll come out, clips on here, heaps of room. Climb through here, nice and easy, and you're on the road. 2.8 diesel, automatic, four-wheel drive, proper four-wheel drive. Feel like going fishing? Come on, hurry up.
Won't take long.
Fridge has been running all night, cold beers in there, awnings up. Where's the firewood? Just some of the standard features on the Jacana Hikers. Awnings, pop tops, pods, double bed, galleys, snorkel, four-wheel drive if that's what you want. You can take you anywhere. You can go from Strawn, nice around Tasmania, go from Sydney all the way to Kakadu. If you're thinking you want one, you should give us a call.